Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to discuss firewalls and proxy servers. So let's start from firewalls. So what is a firewall? A firewall is actually considered as a gateway, means it is a point of entrance between our computer system and outer world. Means the data that is going to be entered into our computer system or the data that is going outside from our computer system must passes through the firewall. A firewall can be a hardware component which can be directly attached with our computer system, and it can be a software, and it is a built-in component in every type of operating system. Means if you are using Windows, then you can find the firewall in control panel. From there you can activate it or deactivate it according to requirements. Means a firewall software is basically a built-in component of your operating system. Now what is the purpose of a firewall? Basically it is used to filter out, or it is used to scan the incoming or outgoing information or data, whether they are malicious or not, whether they are harmful or harmless. So basically the purpose of firewall is to keep an eye on every type of data that is coming inside of your computer system or going outside from your computer system, and check its integrity. Functions of a firewall: basically multiple purposes a firewall observes. Number one, traffic examining over internet. Means if you are connected to the internet, so there are so many things which are traveling in and out of your computer system without your concern or without your information. So basic purpose of a firewall, that it is used to examine the data that is trying to enter into your computer system first. Then if it is harmless or if it is useful for you, then that data will be entered into your computer system. Few rules to be followed by firewalls. Means there is a rule book inside the firewall which needs to be followed by the data, and if those rules are not followed by the data which is trying to enter, which is trying to going outside of your computer system, it shows a warning message on your screen. A firewall, whenever it finds something harmful, something unidentifiable, something malicious, or something uncertain, then it will first show you a warning message on your screen. And if you disable firewall at that stage, or if you allow the data to enter into your computer system, then firewall will get that data or information into your computer system. Then otherwise there is no option of any type of data, any type of information which fails the criteria being followed by the firewalls will be entered into your computer system. Another feature of a firewall, that it keeps a record of all incoming and outgoing information. Mean everything that is entering into your computer system or that is going out from your computer system will be recorded into the firewall. It may also be used to block certain websites. If you want to block any type of website that should not be opened on your computer system, then you only need to enter the URL of that particular website into the block list of your firewall. The main purpose of a firewall, that it blocks viruses and hackers to enter into your computer system. If the firewall of your computer system is most advanced and most updated, then there is no chance of viruses, and there is no chance, there is no option for hackers to enter into your computer system. Firewall will deal on your behalf. Okay, so many applications required updation time to time, and for that purpose they need outside data, means over internet. So firewall also works here. First it shows you the message on your screen that this data or this application or this software needs to be updated. So are you going to allow the update process or not. So if you allow, then firewall allows the incoming file of that particular application. Now firewall is a software, firewall is a hardware. So it has few limitations. Bypassing firewall by individual user, it means if you switch off your firewalls, if you deactivated your firewall, then you are open to malicious softwares or you are open to hackers. Misuse of internet, the same thing. If you are not considering the rules of firewall, then firewall is not going to help you in any scenario. Disabling firewall is the same thing. If you disable the firewall, then there is no chance of the security or there's no restrictions applied on your computer system, and every type of data, every type of malicious softwares or hackers would have the chance to enter into your computer system to destroy your data or your physical devices. Proxy servers, these are the basic component, or these are very similar with the proxy firewalls, but they are a separate computer system. They are not attached with your computer system directly. So basically, what is a proxy server? A proxy server is basically a separate computer system. Usually they are the systems of internet service providers, ISPs. Works as an intermediary between client and web server. If you are connected with a web server, then the proxy servers are actually connected with the web server on your behalf. So basically, you are not connected with the web server directly. A client means an internet user is connected with the proxy server, whether the system of an ISP, and then where that proxy server is connected of the required web server on the behalf of the client according to requirement. It acts as a firewall, but actually it is a separate tool. It is a separate system. It is not attached with your computer system. You can only connect with the proxy server if you are part of a local network, means a private. If you are part of a private network, or you are part of a public network, means if you are using internet. Functions of proxy servers are very much similar to the firewalls, means every type of tasks which are followed by firewalls, the same tasks are also considered as followed by or operated by proxy servers, but it has few more options. One, filtration of internet traffic, means the same thing. All type of data that is incoming into your computer system or that is outgoing from your computer system will be filtered, will be scanned. Use of cache, it uses cache. One, keeping the secrecy of users IP address, means if you are connected with a proxy server, then there is no chance of any hacker to enter into your computer system, because the proxy servers keep your IP address secret, either you are connected with them, right? So actually the purpose of proxy server, that hackers are not allowed to enter into any computer system which are attached with a proxy server. Maximum a hacker can comes to a proxy server but cannot move forward. So the today's class is ending here, and we shall continue the session on next week. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care everyone.